few students who are lucky who get those scholarships. So today's video is going to help a lot of students who want to study for free. And the second good news is in Canada, I have found there are a lot of scholarships which is supported for medical students as well, which I was struggling to find in UK. There were few in UK, but there was not a lot. So there is a scholarship for all the medical students, like if you want to study dental or nursing or anything else. So I believe today's video will help you guys. So let's get started with today's video. But if my videos are helping you, so why Canada? First of all, Canadian University accepts application 4 times a year. So if you have missed a deadline for the first month, you can again try after next 4 months and again after that, or even next year. And make sure you keep a track of it and you can save that in your favorites. You will get an alerts and then you can put your application forward every time you miss the deadline. And secondly, because it's fully funded and hence you can study for free. So number 1 on my list is Saskatchewan University Scholarship, which is available for undergraduate and graduate degree programs for the January 2022 intake. And degree level, this is for bachelor's, master's and PhD. And the deadline for your application is 1st of December 2021, which means you still have time to prepare it. And financial coverage, this is funded. In terms of available fields, there are plenty of fields. So I have just taken few examples from the websites like agriculture, plants, animals, business and economics, maths, engineering, arts, law and science, environment, and chemistry. And in terms of your requirements, one of the requirements which I read on the website was about the proof of your English language. So you can either submit your IELTS score or TOEFL or Duolingo English test, which will be accepted. Now, in terms of details of each of these scholarships, so the requirements are different for undergraduate and graduate scholarship. So you can read the details from the links, which I'll be sharing with you. And in terms of how to apply, all the application needs to be online through the official website. And before you apply, you should read this guide. This guide is about how to apply. So they will be giving you some tips and they have already detailed PDF around it. So make sure you watch and read this PDF first before you put up your application, because you will have a high chances of getting a scholarship once you know all the tips. So make sure you don't make any mistakes. Now, the next on my list is University of Alberta Scholarship, which is for bachelor's, master's, PhD, diploma or certificate program. In terms of deadline, the 1st of November 2021, admission. Financial coverage, this is fully funded, so you don't need to worry about anything. In terms of fields of study, there are plenty. So I've highlighted medicine and dentistry here and nursing because those are very expensive courses in abroad. So you can study here for free if you manage to get this scholarship. And other than this, you have agriculture, life, environmental science, law, science, engineering, pharmacy, public health science, art and humanities. And there are more. This is just a few examples here. In terms of details of undergraduate course, you need to visit the official website and read the details, and same for the graduate course as well. In terms of application, you need to visit the official website and then put your application using this URL. Now, the next on my list is Government of Canada Scholarship. This is for students who are looking for a doctoral degree, PhD or combined MA and PhD, or MD and PhD, or Masters leading to PhD and PhD. Visit their online website and you need to apply through this link. Now, the 4th on my list is Montreal University Scholarship, which is for undergraduate, master's, doctorate, and postdoctoral fellowship. So you will be getting a degree of bachelor's, master's, PhD, and postdoctoral. Financial coverage, this is funding. This is funded, but not fully funded. In terms of deadline, September 1st, 2021, and available fields of study. Again, there are plenty. And as you can see, this is Concordia University Presidential Scholarship, which is only for undergraduate students, which is fully funded. This scholarship will cover your tuition fee and booking and your living cost. In terms of your application, you need to apply through their official website through this link, and you can read about the presidential scholarship details here. Now, the next on my list is University of Toronto Scholarship. So this is available for undergraduates and graduates. Application deadline for undergraduate, it's 15 Jan, and for graduate, date varies depending on the course. English language proficiency test is needed here as well. Financial coverage, this is funded. Available field to study, again there are plenty here which you can choose from your interest, like biomedical, medical, radiation sciences, medicine, different for each of the course. So make sure you just go and read through the details of each of the course you are applying for, and you can read about the scholarship as well from this link. And for applying the scholarship, you need to visit their official website and you need to put your application forward. Now, the next on my list is University of Ottawa scholarships. So it is available to study undergraduate, master's, PhD, micro programs, short programs, and graduate diplomas. So you will be getting a degree of bachelor's, master's, or PhD. So available fields of studies: arts, education, engineering, health science, civil law, common law, management, medicine, science, and social science. Financial coverage, this is funded. Admission criteria, again it differs for undergraduates and graduates, and you can read through the details from this link. In terms of deadline for application, for undergraduate, this is October 25th for most of the course, for January intake. And for graduate, the date varies depending on the course, but it's mostly in October for most of the courses. How to apply? You need to apply through the official website online. For undergraduate, you need to follow this link, and for graduate, you need to follow this link. Now, the last on my list is President Scholarship, which is funded by Canada's PM. Degree level, this is for bachelor's, master's, PhD, and the good news is this scholarship is available in all the universities of Canada. Financial coverage, it's mostly covered like your tuition fees, your air tickets, and living cost. And deadline, again it varies and will depend on the university and the course you have selected. So that's all